Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to show you what I got from Bravo Supermarket, and I'm going to start showing you things I got. This Breyers butter pecan ice cream, and that's beef cubes, best beef frankfurters, this is oxtails that I'm cooking today. Chicken wings and pork neck bones. Here are my greens, my collard greens. There's my Entenmann's chocolate fudge ice cake. Yum, yum, yum. That's the Hungry Jack Complete Extra Light and Fluffy Pancake and Waffle Mix. You just have to add water, stir it up, and you're good. I got some Portuguese rolls here. I love these rolls. They're nice and chewy. Here I got some evaporated milk, some lactate milk. I got one squash, Sapoleo dishwashing detergent, Brickstones butter, got some cooking oil, some honeycomb cereal, Post honeycomb cereal. I love those. I got some pancake syrup right there, and some green beans. Bananas. Got some more rolls to put in the freezer. And then I got some Domino's sugar. I hope you guys love this haul. It's short and sweet. And now I'm going to put these things away, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.